All right, you guys, so this is section 3.1, day 2, example 2C, because it didn't match my my other recording. So, just keep an eye as you're watching these videos, and if there's a part 1 and part 2, then the part 2 is just, picking up the pieces that were missing, okay? So thank you for your patience with that. Okay, so question C. I'm always editing the workbook, you guys, trying to make it better and better, getting you prepared for the midterm and the final, okay? So I think the easiest thing to do right here is to separate this. So this right here means 2f of negative 1 minus g of negative 1. Okay, so just split it like that. And now you have to evaluate f of negative 1. Remember, negative 1 is an x value. So if x is a negative 1, the f of x, and it doesn't define it, I'm going to say, I don't know which is which, and I'm so sorry about that, but we're going to say f of x is the green, and g of x is the parabola. Hopefully I got that right. It matched with the other ones. So anyway, if x is a negative 1, your f of x is the green line. So where are you at? You're right there. What's that y value? 1. So that yellow f of negative 1 is 1. But remember, you've got that 2 in front of it, so it just looks like this. And then g of x is the parabola. Negative 1 is here. Where you at on the parabola? Right there. What's the y value? Negative 1. So make sure you write minus a negative 1. Now, you guys are so smart. I know you can do this without your calculator. But you guys, the sweet thing is, like, literally, that's enough work. So instead of risking it, you could totally go to parenthesis, 1, close it, minus, and that would be the gray minus button on the right, parenthesis, then hit the white negative button at the bottom, put in a 1, close it off, hit enter, and you get a 3. Okay, so that work right there is completely sufficient, and the answer is 3. Another thing you could do is you could just, instead of your calculator, 2 times 1 is 2, a negative times a negative is a positive, 2 plus 1 is 3. So whatever you prefer, okay? You guys, make sure that you email me and communicate with me if you're confused or you're stressed or anything, because, you're going to be fine. And I just want you to know that whatever you need, I'm here, okay? Thanks.